Back to the map of mathematics. Welcome everyone to the this live session. So in this live session we are going to solve the nice algebra problem, and here we have our question statement, which is if we have m to the power of 9 plus m to the power of 6 is equals to 36, and we will solve this algebra problem for the value of m. And here you remember one thing is that here our m is positive integer, or it means that we will find just only the positive values of m, or we will solve this equation only for the positive values. Okay, so the very first thing we are going to do is, here first I will write this m to the power of 9 as we can write it as m to the power of 3 and its whole power 3, plus after that we will write this m to the power of 6 as m to the power of 3 and its whole power 2 is equals to 36. And after that we will make some substitution in order to write this equation in simplified form, so that here I will take x is equals to m to the power of 3. So here when we take m to the power of 3 is equal to x, so that this expression will becomes in this form x cubed. When we take this m cube is equal to x, so this expression will becomes x cubed plus x square is equals to 36. And after that we will focus on the right hand side, and in the right hand side you can see that we have 36, and we can write this 36 as 27 and plus 9. You know that 27 plus 9 is equal to 36, so that now we move all the terms in the right hand side to the left hand side, and we will combine this 27 with x cube, and we combine this 9 with x square, so that we have x cube minus 27 plus, when we take this 9 to the left hand side, so that it will becomes x square minus 9 is equals to 0. Okay, after that here we have the two equations, x cube minus 27 plus x square minus 9 is equal to 0. So here in this equation we will apply the cubic formula, and you know the cubic formula. If we have a cubed minus b cubed, so it is equals to a minus b times of a square plus ab and plus b square. In this part we will apply here this formula, and in this part we will apply here this formula. If we have a square minus b square, so it is equals to a minus b times of a plus b. So now we can apply here these both formulas, so that this expression will becomes in this form. And here we have x, we can write this equation as x cube minus, and we can write this 27 as 3 cubed, plus here we have x square minus, we can write this 9 as 3 square is equals to 0. After that you can focus on these two terms, and here we have we can apply here in this term, we can apply here this formula, and in this term we can apply here this formula, so that when we can use this formula, so this expression will becomes x minus 3 times of x square plus 3x plus 9, and plus, now we can apply this formula here, and this expression will becomes x minus 3 times of x plus 3 is equals to 0. Now you focus on both of the terms, and here we can see that the x minus 3 term is present in both of the terms, so that we will take common x minus 3 from both of the expressions, so that the remaining terms will become in this form. When we take common x minus 3, so here we get x square plus 3x and plus 9. So here we take common x minus 3, and here we get x plus 3 is equals to 0. Okay, so now we can simplify the term, and here we have x minus 3 times of x square. So here we add this 3x by this x, so that this will become x square plus 4x and plus this 9 plus 3 is equals to some number like 12 is equals to 0. So after that, now we have the two cases. The first case is we will take x minus 3 is equal to 0, and the other case is we will take x square plus 4x plus 12 is equals to 0. So here we have these two cases, so that we will solve this problem by these two ones. So first we focus on this case. So here we have x minus 3 is equals to 0, and here we get the value of x, which is 3. So now we will focus on this expression, and here we have x square plus 4x plus 12, x square plus 4x plus 12 is equals to 0. So in the start of the question, we will firstly write the term and conditions of this problem. So its conditions are, we will find only the real solution or positive integer values. Okay, so that first I will check is this quadratic equation has positive or real value. Okay, positive or integer values, so that we will apply here the delta formula, and you know that the delta is equal to b square minus 4ac. If this delta gives us the positive value, so that we can say that our this quadratic equation has real roots. If this delta becomes negative, so we can say that this quadratic equation has the complex values. Okay, so first I will check that. So here we have the value of a is 1, because the coefficient of x square is 1. So we can we can say that a is equal to 1. Similarly, we have b is equal to 4 and c is equal to 12. So now we substitute all the values of a, b and c here. Sorry for inconvenience. So here you can see that our delta is negative, because this expression gives us the negative term, so we can say that our delta is negative, and this expression gives us complex root. So we will reject this expression. And now we proceed only x is equal to 3, and in the start of the question we will take x as m cube is equal to 3, so that here we find m is equal to, we can take the cube root on both of the sides, so it will becomes m is equal to 3 to the power of 1 over 3. So this is our final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for more exciting videos.